Welcome. Let's understand this in a very simple way. In this section, we will learn about variables. A variable is like a name tag. It helps us store something in the computer and use it later. But actually, a variable does not store the value directly. It points to a place in memory where the value is kept. Next, we will learn how memory works. The computer needs to clean unused things from memory. It does this using two methods. Reference counting. That means counting how many variables are using something. Garbage collection means removing unused things automatically. These two are different, and we will understand how. Then we will learn about types of variables. Some languages need you to tell the type, like integer or string, before using it. But Python is easy. It understands the type automatically. This is called dynamic typing. After that, we will learn mutable things that can change, like a list. Immutable things that cannot change, like a number. Next, we will see shared references. Sometimes two variables can point to the same object in memory. So if you change one, the other may also change. Finally, an important idea in Python, everything is an object. Numbers is a objects. Strings is a objects. Lists is a objects. Functions is a objects. Even classes is a objects. This section is very important because it helps you understand how Python works inside. Next, we will go deeper, step by step.